Chapter 7 Operators and Expressions in Python. Python is a high-level scripting language with object-oriented features. It is a general-purpose interpreted language developed by Guido van Rossum, first released in 1991. IDLE is an acronym of Integrated Development Environment. It allows you to edit, run, browse, and debug Python programs from a single interface. Script mode is used to create and edit Python source code. Operators and operands. Operators are special symbols which represents computation. They are applied on operand or operands, which can be values or variables. Values and variables when used with operator are known as operands. C equal to A plus B. Here A and B are called operands and plus is an operator. Same operator can behave differently on different data types. Operators when applied on operands form an expression. Operators are categorized as arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment. Arithmetic operators. Operator, description, syntax, result. Example. Addition plus adds values on either side of the operator. X plus y, sum of x and y. 1. 80 plus 40, output 120. 2. Good plus morning, output good morning. Subtraction minus. Subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand. X minus y, difference of x and y. 80 minus 40, output 40. Multiplication, asterisk, multiplies values on either side of the operator. X asterisk y, product of x and y. 1. 80 asterisk 40, output 3200. 2. Hello asterisk 3, output hello, hello, hello. Division slash divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. X slash y, quotient when x is divided by y. 80 slash 40, output 2.0. Modulus, percentage, divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand and returns remainder. X percentage y, remainder of x divided by y. 80% 40, output 0. Exponent, asterisk, asterisk, performs exponential power calculation of operators. A asterisk asterisk b, it gives a to the power b. 5 asterisk asterisk 2, output 25. Comparison operators. In programming, certain decisions are taken based on the relation between expressions or operands. For example, we compare marks of two students or height of two persons. These comparisons can be performed with the help of comparison operators. These operators compare the values on either side of them and decide the relation among them. They are also called relational operators. Suppose x holds the value 40 and y holds the value 30. Operator, name, description, syntax, output. Less than. If the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. X less than y, false. Less than, equal to. If the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. X less than, equal to y, false. Greater than. If the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. X greater than y, true. Greater than, equal to. If the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. X greater than, equal to y, true. Equal to. If the value of two operands are equal, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. x equal to y. False. Not equal to. If the value of two operands is not equal to, then condition becomes true, otherwise false. X not equal to y. True. Expressions. Expressions form a basic sentence in any programming language. To construct an expression, you need two basic entities, which are operand and operators. It generates a single value, which by itself is an expression. An expression is a combination of value that is constant, variable, and operators. Order of operations. The precedence of an operator tells the compiler the order in which the operators should be evaluated. Python can evaluate a valid expression. There is a rule of precedence in Python. B. Brackets first. O. Exponents. Orders, powers and square roots. DM. Division and multiplication, left to right. A. S. Addition and subtraction, left to right. The order in the above example can be changed by using parentheses as it has higher precedence. Expression can be combined together to form large expressions, but no matter how big the expression is, it always evaluates into a single value. Type the following code to calculate the area of a rectangle if the length and breadth are given. Using Python as a calculator, the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. You can type an expression as it is and it will write the value. Expression syntax is straightforward. The operators plus, minus, asterisk, and slash work just like in most other languages. Parentheses can be used for grouping. Besides numbers, Python can also manipulate strings, which can be expressed in several ways. They can be enclosed in single quotes or double quotes with the same result. Backward slash can be used to escape quotes. Getting input from the user. Python provides numerous inbuilt functions that can be used at the Python prompt. Functions like input and print are widely used for input and output operations respectively. Let's understand input function now. There are hardly any programs without any input. Python provides the function input to take the input from the user. Syntax: input, prompt. Where prompt is the string you wish to display on the screen, it is optional. Here you can see that the entered value 10 is a string, not a number. To convert this into a number, you can use int or float functions.